Okay, so in this tutorial we'll have a look at using Ranger Remote Control and how to set it up so you can use it in your classroom. So first of all we're going to click on Start, and then on Program menu we're going to go to Ranger Remote Control. Okay, now I don't want to see this screen again when Ranger starts, so I'm just going to uncheck this box and click on Start. I don't want to see this page again, so I'm going to check this box this time and click on OK. Okay. Now at the moment, because this is the first time I've used this in F8, I've got no machines, so I'm going to click on No so I can do it my own way. So within this client I'm going to go to School, and I'm going to go to Configuration. Now I'm trying to set up and administer, so I'm going to go to the Administration, and I'm going to go to my profile. Now at the moment my Ranger Remote Control profile in this classroom isn't correct, so I'm going to edit it. And the thing that I'm interested in is the Advanced, and I'm going to change, so I've got my class here. Now this requires me to visit the the N drive, and within the staff area go to IT support, which is here. Now in IT support I'm going to visit the Ranger Remote Control RRC, and I want to load F8 because that's the classroom I'm in. Now you can do this for each classroom that you're on. You will have to set it up to pick up the right client. When I click on Open, I now see that I've got Ranger the F8 client in this area. That's fine. I click on OK, and now I click on OK again, and I click on Yes, and it's now set it up. I can see I've got the computers in F8 from number 1 all the way through to number 30. So I've now managed to set up and configure it for F8 classroom. The next thing I'm going to do is set it up so that I've got Ranger Remote Control working the way I'd like it to. So I'm going to click on my school, go to configuration again, and this time I would like to I'm going to stop there.